Whether you're looking to improve the output in your business or simply need to expand your capacity in your home shop, the CrossFire XR is what happens when Langmuir engineering DNA is applied to full-size sheet capabilities. The CrossFire XR is built to outperform the competitors while maintaining a price point every shop can afford. Its heavy-duty C-channel machine frame can fully support up to 1-inch thick steel sheets. The structural 65-gallon water table is reinforced with a tubular subframe to easily facilitate loading large pieces of material into place without a problem. Unlike generically designed flimsy aluminum plasma tables from overseas, it's designed to meet the demands of your shop while maintaining dimensional accuracy across a full 4x8 cutting envelope without the risk of flex or racking. That matters when you're nesting parts edge to edge on a full sheet and expect every piece to come out true. The CrossFire XR also comes with the most advanced technology in the industry. Ball screws for superior positional accuracy, better stability, and less backlash and maintenance compared to similar price rack and pinion machines. The engineered ball screw design is purpose-built to outperform, which is why it remains stationary while the ball nuts are rotated to avoid a whipping effect. Additionally, we know that power is always a thought in every shop, so we designed the CrossFire XR itself to operate on a single 120-volt, 20-amp outlet. Not only is the machine engineered to perform, but it's designed to fit your expanding needs. Our full 96x48 cutting area ensures you can work with a full-size sheet, eliminating the hassle of cutting sheets down or piercing together projects. That's the difference between cutting a full trailer fender in one pass versus indexing your material twice and hoping your cuts hold. The CrossFire XR gives you the real estate to cut it to size and build it to spec without cutting corners. The CrossFire XR comes with initial height sensing control, which automatically detects the material's top surface to ensure the torch pierces at an optimal height for each cut. That means consistent kerf width, consistent edge quality, and consistent pierce depth, even on a sheet that might not be perfectly flat. For a shop running production jobs, that's the difference between cutting the right part the first time and the parts that need to be reworked. The CrossFire runs on our industry-recognized fire control, Langmuir's purpose-built motion control software proudly engineered right here in Texas. If you've been running a CrossFire or CrossFire Pro plasma cutting table, there's no need to relearn. The CrossFire XR runs on the same interface, the same workflow, and the same FireShare library of cut-ready files. With the XR, you unlock the ability to run full sheet programs, nest out multiple parts with ease, and let your machine run longer without reposition. Also, the XR allows you to check your work with ease before you fire a single arc. This ensures you don't waste material without validation. The marker pin attachment lets you dry run in ink your full program on a 96x48 sheet. Verify your nests, check your clearances, and confirm your origin. On complex jobs or first-time runs, this is an insurance policy that pays for itself quickly and gives you peace of mind to tackle the most challenging of jobs. With Langmuir systems, you're not buying a hobby machine, you're buying a production asset. The engineering behind this machine, the frame rigidity, the motion system, the THC integration are built for a professional environment. Not to mention, it comes with industry-leading support to ensure you have a team of professionals backing you up right here in the United States. And best of all, you can get full access to FireShare, where you can search for hundreds of cut-ready files. You can download pre-existing parts and go from idea to finished parts with less headache than ever before. If you're needing to upgrade CrossFire or CrossFire Pro, or simply need a machine that you can depend on without breaking the bank, the CrossFire XR is the next step in your production success. Head to langmuirsystems.com to configure your CrossFire XR.